Hello everyone, I'm Vahid from neonicX. Today I want to explain our SVM classification for orange ripeness. You can find our code on our company's GitHub repository. I leave a link in the description. This repository had two branches. One of them used scikit-learn and other one used OpenCV. We collect our dataset from Google and iStock. Feel free to use your own dataset. Let's get started with the training. In a README, you can find table of content, click usage, and navigate to usage instructions. First, start with cloning the repository. Now enter the project folder. Create a virtual env. And activate it. I leave activation command for both Linux and Windows OS here. Then install the requirement. Installation is complete. Let's take a look at the main parts of our project. You can see our project have several main parts: dataset, train, detect, and pre-train SVM model with polykernel. You can use this SVM model or train your own model on your custom dataset with custom parameters. To do this, adjust the kernel, gamma, and C flag to change default parameters of the train script and create your own model. The default dataset folder path is a root directory in the dataset directory. To change the default location of the dataset, you can use -d or --dataset folder flag to change the location. Let's start a training model with our dataset with default parameters. Run this script and train the SVM based on our default parameter. First, start loading the dataset. After that, start training. You can see accuracy here and other information such as version, recall, and fscore. Now you can use train model to classify objects in images. Simply run this script and classify the object. Put your image path here This is our image. In this mode, you only see the predicted class printed. If you want to display the image, you can use --b flag at the end of the script. This will show the image and print the class name here. Press Q, close the window. Thank you so very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.